Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga sa lahat. Good morning from here in the Philippines, especially to all my organic followers, organic viewers around the world, especially from the Middle East countries, United States of America, Russia, China, and many others, especially the OFW around the world, that they are considered here in the Philippines as a hero because they are contributing a lot of money to be helped in our country as a progressive economy to the revenue, mga kaibigan. And also, mga kaibigan, thank you so much. And please follow, subscribe in our YouTube channel, follow in our Facebook page, in our TikTok here, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much. At I would like to inform you that I am not expert here to answer everything about this, but in order for me to reiterate some information, some details about the informations and about the protocols and the provided law, mga kaibigan, as a general rule, as a general protocol and the chronological order and the due process of law, mga kaibigan, as a law enforcement officer of this country, as belongs to the tools of the government, as been mandated by the Philippine Constitutions, our duty, my duty is to uphold and to maintain and to reiterate some informations from the mandated privilege of the Philippine Constitutions as a supreme law of the land, as a fundamental laws of the land, mga kaibigan, that my duty and responsibility is to uplift and to maintain the due process and the transparency of the law in the country, mga kaibigan. As a tools of the government, my duty is to refer and answered everything, mga kaibigan, because my duty and designations is a radio operator of the certain stations of the Davao del Norte, mga kaibigan, here in Tagum City, mga kaibigan, in the as it belongs to the law enforcement officer and law enforcement agencies of this country here in the Philippines. Mga kaibigan, there is a questions that I would like to ask all of you. It is a seldom that to answer this more details because I am so very stick to the time for my response, because we need to get the 3 to 5 minutes in response time as mandated by our newly appointed Chief PNP of the Philippine National Police, in which it is called a 3 minutes to 4 minutes and 5 minutes response to the locations using 10 codes, mga kaibigan. So that's why, mga kaibigan, there is a call coming from outside a country that I being received here. So the call is goes like this, mga kaibigan, in which it is a citizens from the LA, London, like that, mga kaibigan, something na there is a chat meet here in our EOR in which they are going to be pretending or to dramatic in situations, mga kaibigan, because they are informing their chatmates outside countries in which a foreigner, I think he is a retired Navy of the US Navy, mga kaibigan. And they are asking to respond these incidents, to go to these locations, mga kaibigan, and contact this number that they are given to us. So, as a general rule, mga kaibigan, because we have 3, which is 911, which is a categorical channels, that one who channels, 911, and police hotlines, and also our embassy. So, as far as, because the duties and responsibility of the law enforcement officer of this country as a members of the tools of the government is to protect the people and to maintain the peace and order. Automatically, I get to the logbook for the details initially as to go to the exact locations of this incident that they are calling from our neighboring countries, our friendship countries, which is citizens from that country, mga kaibigan. I think it belongs to the US citizens. And asking help. So that's why within the lifespan of 4 minutes, our mobile patrol car onboards, it's totally 2-3 or arrive at the scene that they are asking for to be response and needed for that kinds of response, mga kaibigan. But you have no right to mandate our institutions, my organizations, my duty to give you details about the investigations, the initial investigation. Because initial investigation must be, it is internally affairs of the our institutions, that they are confidential in nature. They don't be given anything out there unless you are come in our station and asking for that matter, for provided a protocol, mga kaibigan. That is called a mandated privilege of our Philippine Constitution. That all must be provided unless there is a mandate or the court order. Unless otherwise, mga kaibigan. So that's why I inform him that the locations that you are given is must be addressed and respond by our mobile patrol car. But the number you are given to us, that you are given to me here, that I being received, is not being reachable or not able to contact on it, mga kaibigan. So that's why my mobile patrol car was taking pictures and go to the Purok chairman, in which the Purok chairman belongs, they are knowing their citizens, their residents of that particular area within our EOR, mga kaibigan. Because the channel that they are going to answer everything about that, mga kaibigan, and down to our channel, it's 911 hotlines and embassy. If you have more details, then just contact your embassy. Do not command directly my institution, my duty, because you don't have right. You don't have right to investigate my citizens. You don't have right to investigate everything in my country unless otherwise there is a provided protocols which is from embassy to embassy or country to country. That is called we have a treaty about that. So that's why you don't have right to investigate my citizens inside of my country. That is the work of the Philippine National Police that you are going to be channeling. That is all about. It is not yours. Because Filipino citizens or the Filipino police officer, they do not have a right to investigate citizens of your country. Especially United States of America, that you are belong here. That you are belong that area. That you are not belong here in my country. Because my country, the judicial system is not paralyzed. That you don't have right to abuse here, mga kaibigan. Even my country is paralyzed. You don't have right to investigate my citizens here. And do not mandate and do not hurry up and command the law enforcement officer, the law enforcement personnel that they are given to you, sending in your Gmail, sending in your messenger for the initial investigation. It is not correct. It is not valid. That is void. What do you think of the radio operator here in Tagum City? They don't have mind. They don't have everything about the chronological protocol of the law. Just must be channel, because I am not expert, but I do not like to release unto this kinds of information which is inside of my instructions. I do not like. Even you can file everything the case against me. I do not be afraid about you. Do not abuse my country because you abused me and my ancestor before. Until now that we received this country for independence, and then you control it. What do you think? I do not like it. It is a personal. It is a personal and the internal structures of my country. Do not mind for it.